Here I've got GEOTEL Pace to Lite, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So you had 3 methods to do it. Let's start with the first one. Smoothly tap on power key, hold it for a while, and then select airplane mode. And that's it, we are currently in flight mode. Here you can locate the plane icon, which means that you are currently in flight mode and all the connections are deactivated. Then, to switch it off, smoothly tap on power icon one more time and tap on airplane mode. And now it's off. Then, the second method is to activate airplane mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate airplane mode icon, which is here, tap on it, and that's it. Now it's active, and then you can switch it off smoothly by tapping the same icon. And the third option, the last one, is to open the settings. So let's open list of all applications, go to the settings, pick more under wireless and networks, and here, by tapping on this switcher, you can switch airplane mode on, and then to turn it on, off, click on the same icon just one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate airplane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.